Woke up this morning to a driveway full of rain. My old red pickup was gone like a southbound train. Coffee on the counter, cold ring in the sink, and a note that said I'm done, written in purple ink. I lost my dog, I lost my truck, lost my wife and my last good luck. Only thing left is this broken road and a country song on the radio. That hound dog buddy used to ride shotgun, howling at the moon when the day was done. Now his bowl's still full by the back porch door. Guess he followed her hard right out of my front door. 'Cause I lost my dog, I lost my truck, lost my wife and my last good luck. Pawned my pride just to pay my tab at a bar where the jukebox feels real bad. That truck was rusted, but it ran just fine, like me and her back in '99. She said I love that engine more than her. Funny how it left too, guess she was sure. I lost my dog, I lost my truck, lost my wife and my last good luck. All my plans went up in smoke like cheap cigars and broken hopes. If she comes back with my key someday and buddy riding like he used to stay, I'll quit this drink and I'll change my ways, but I ain't holding my breath